This tutorial will show you how to assign independent reading levels to students on Raz Kids. When you log on to your account, head over to Manage Students. Then click on Roster. You will then land on the Student Management page. In order to adjust independent reading levels, you will need to head over to the tab named Raz Plus. Click on it. Then you will notice that your classroom roster will appear. The second column, aside from the student's name, is Level Up Assignment. You will click on the drop-down box and notice that you have all the levels available to assign to your students. I want to note that it is important to understand that the Learning A to Z text leveling system is not an exact mirror of the Fountas and Pinnell leveling system. Levels K and up on the Learning A to Z text leveling system tend to not mirror the Fountas and Pinnell. So what you can do is hover on the level and notice that if it's not the level K that you're looking for Fountas and Pinnell, as indicated in this pop-up box, slide over to the next level, and then you would select the L for the Fountas and Pinnell level K. For our primaries, it tends to be an exact mirror, and this is not an issue. So for my sample student, if I want to assign level D, I click on it, and it's done. And I can proceed through all my other students and select what their independent reading level is.